For our easy transplants, we can transplant them from a pot or from bare root right into the garden. So this is a lettuce that we planted a few weeks ago on our video, and they're ready to transplant. So I'm just going to put some in the garden here for you. So the first thing that you want to do is you're going to want to reach down underneath and you want to lift them from the bottom. You don't want to pull them from the top because that breaks the roots off. And we're going to try to keep as many roots on the plants as we can. So this is called bare rooting, when we're taking them apart like this. And I want you to take a look at this plant. You can see the roots hanging down and the top. One of the first things we want to do before we transplant that is we want to make the bottom part a little bit bigger than the top part of the plant, because the roots have to get enough moisture up to support the top of the plant. And coming out of our pot, we probably broke a few roots off, so the plant is out of balance now. So what we want to do, this is the crown of our lettuce plant right here. So we want to protect the crown and keep it intact, and we're just going to take off about half of each of these leaves that are sticking out. I know it makes the plant look kind of stupid, but this will be a really strong plant when we transplant it. So now if you look at the plant, you got more root than you got top, and this will transplant really well. So the next thing we want to do is just dig a hole in our bed. I'm going to set the roots down in, and we're just going to squeeze that soil back in around the crown, but not over the top of the crown. I'll do that again for you. Let's take the lettuce plant. I'm going to take off the top of the leaves. I'm going to take that amount off. You can see that now the top and the bottom are a little more balanced. I like to put my lettuce plants about 3 inches apart. Dig a hole, roots down in, and just squeeze that soil. Let's do one more. This is fun. Okay, out of balance plant. Top and bottom more balanced now. Dig a hole and plant that in. Okay, so a lot of your easy transplanters, you can do it this exact same way. And I wanted to show you how to transplant the celery. Pretty much the same. You're going to lift it from the bottom and pull these out. I'm going to take a look at this plant. Okay, there's the roots hanging down, and what I'm going to do is just trim off a couple of these top leaves. So I've rebalanced this plant. Dig a hole, stick it in, cover it up. I like celery about 8 inches apart, so we'll stick in a couple of these. This is a really great trick. Most people don't know to take off a few of the leaves. The main thing that you don't want to do is to hurt the crown, and the crown is where the roots and the top, where they meet together, and that's where the action happens for the plant. So dig you a hole. Dig this hole a little bigger because we got a little longer roots here. Put that in, squeeze that in around it. Now anything that's coming from the house or a greenhouse will need to be hardened off. Otherwise the sun can sunburn the plants, the wind can windburn them, and then you have plants that are either stunted or can die. So the next thing we would do with these is water them, and then we would protect them from the sun for about a week.